I smile like a flower not only with my lips but with my whole being. Rumi. Spring is a magical time when nature awakens from its wintry slumber, painting the landscape with vibrant colors and fragrant blooms. In New York, this seasonal transformation is particularly captivating on golf courses, where the humble daffodil emerges as a star player, turning fairways and greens into breathtaking floral masterpieces. Let's explore how daffodils have become an integral part of New York's golfing experience. Daffodils, with their golden yellow trumpets and delicate white petals, possess an undeniable charm that captivates golfers and nature enthusiasts. These resilient flowers herald the arrival of spring, transforming the once frozen golf courses into a tapestry of colors. The vibrancy of the daffodils not only adds visual appeal but also symbolizes hope and renewal after the long winter months. Golfers are greeted by a sea of daffodils, creating an atmosphere that is both refreshing and soothing, elevating their golfing experience to new heights. New York is renowned for its love affair with golf. The state boasts a wide array of world-class golf courses that attract enthusiasts from all over the globe. From the iconic Bethpage Black to the picturesque Winged Foot, these courses offer a challenging yet rewarding experience for golfers of all skill levels. Daffodils have found their way into the hearts of both players and spectators, becoming an integral part of the golfing culture in New York. Course designers have embraced the beauty of daffodils, strategically incorporating them into the layout of golf courses. These designers understand the significance of aesthetics in creating an enjoyable golfing experience. Daffodils are often planted near tees, fairways, and around water features, enhancing the visual appeal and providing a serene backdrop for players navigating the course. This integration of daffodils into the course design not only adds natural beauty but also reflects the harmony between the artificial and the natural, creating an unforgettable ambience for golfers. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, daffodils offer numerous benefits to golf courses. These flowers are known to deter pests, particularly deer and rabbits, which can cause damage to the meticulously manicured greens. Daffodils also serve soil health indicators, as they thrive in well-drained areas. Furthermore, their early bloom time provides pollinators, such as bees and butterflies, a vital source of nectar and pollen after a long winter. By integrating daffodils into the golf course ecosystem, golf course managers can enhance the environmental sustainability of their facilities. As spring unfolds in New York, daffodils transform golf courses into stunning floral landscapes, captivating golfers and spectators alike. The vibrant colors, delicate petals, and symbolic significance of these flowers add an extra dimension to the golfing experience. New York's love for golf and the beauty of daffodils combine to create an enchanting fusion of sport and nature. You normally have to be bashed about a bit by life to see the point of daffodils, sunsets, and uneventful nice days.
All in the